Okay, we're gonna get back started on this. There she is right there. She's all pretty. So we're gonna get started and get the carpet, get some more cleaning, possibly get the console installed. But we got a few hours to work with, so let's get moving. Wipe the dash down alcohol, so that's how to do. Like all the pillars on the door. Took the boot off, got that exterminated. I'm supposed to say exterminated. Once I get all this cleaned up, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the dash. Figuring out a way to fix his damage, and we'll go from there and get the boot put back on and exterminate all this. Like here, look at this. It's unbelievable, man. So this is the easy solution. You know, just snippity dippity. Just don't appreciate what they have. So, because these little mirrors. All right, y'all can see this door panel. The mold. I am taking this off, so don't freak out, y'all. Anyways, so it's let's get it clean. All right, it's steamed. Look how much cleaner that is, y'all. All the germs gone, everything. So when I take it off, this right here I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna blast it from the inside because this has little holes. But all right, let me get started on the rest of it. All right, y'all can see all of that. Just showing it to you. So we're gonna clean this whole side. All right. You know, when you have great customers, you always throw in a freebie. Yep, free sound deadener on me. Looks nice. Just couldn't let it go out without it. That's just, my name is on these cars, so I'm sure most of y'all understand.